What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a great night out there. And what I have for you today is Panini Contenders Blaster Box 2018, as well as this Prestige 2018 box right here. 2 autographs per box on average, so it should be pretty good. Let's go ahead and get started with the Panini Contenders Blaster Box. I do believe you do get one memorabilia or autograph per box, so pretty cool to open up, see what we can get. You do get 5 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Let's go ahead and open the first one up. Kind of hard to open. It's all right. We started off with Patrick Mahomes season ticket. Kind of nice right there. Gerald McCoy season ticket. Marvin Jones season ticket. Amari Cooper. MVP contender Russell Wilson. Dak Prescott season ticket. Jamal Adams. Luke Kuechly. Next pack. Earl Thomas. Case Keenum. Terrell Suggs. Joey Bosa. We get a round 4 Mark Walton and a Naheem Hines. Interesting card right there. Cam Newton, Stephon Diggs, and David Johnson. Next pack. Mike Evans, Matthew Stafford, Khalil Mack, nice addition to the Bears, Mitchell Trubisky, Saquon Barkley, MVP contender, Leonard Fournette, Richard Sherman, Demaryius Thomas. We still got 2 packs to go. Last 2 packs. Jimmy Garoppolo, Von Miller, Robbie Anderson, here's the autograph, Damon Patterson, rookie ticket, Pittsburgh Steelers, very nice. Let me sleeve that up. So kind of nice that we got the auto instead of the patch. Autographs are pretty nice. There we go. Damon Patterson. Next card was a team quads for the Chiefs. Mahomes, Hill, Kelsey, and Kareem Hunt no longer on the team. It's all right. Brandon Cooks, T.Y. Hilton, Marquise Goodwin. Last pack. Jordan Howard, Kirk Cousins, Chandler Jones, Blake Bortles, Mike White, Rookie of the Year contender, Kiko Alonso, Josh Norman, Deshaun Watson. That's it for that box. So we did get the auto, Damon Patterson right there. Pittsburgh Steelers, rookie, not numbered. On to the next box. We do have the Prestige 2018. We should find 2 autos in here. That's what it says in the box, so hopefully that holds true. 10 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Four packs. Edelman, Richardson, Allen Robinson, Evan Ingram, Brissett, Cam Newton. That's numbered 48 out of 225. Luminance. It's a nice hit right there. Leonard Fournette. Highlight reel. Carlton Davis. Harold Landry. Michael Gallup. Demaryius Thomas, Devin Funchess, Aaron Donald, Shaq Thompson, Jerick McKinnon. Got the Kyle Van Noy auto. Nice linebacker from the New England Patriots. It's the Kyle Van Noy. Get the Leonard Fournette powerhouse right there. LSU Tigers. Deontay Burnett. Naheem Hines. Sam Hubbard. Next pack. Melvin Gordon, Joe Flacco, Drake, Corey Davis, Matt Ryan, Austin Allen on the Bucks, numbered to 225. Pretty nice. Rising star is Carson Wentz. Sonny Michel. Leighton Vander Esch. I think he's on the Cowboys. Kerryon Johnson. Last pack. We got a Reuben Foster, Josh McCown, Jack Doyle, Todd Gurley, Aaron Jones. We got a Harold Landry auto out of 25. It's pretty nice right there. Tennessee Titans. $25 out of 25. Next card, we get a Jawan Moore NFL passport. Armstrong Jr., Hurst, and a DJ Chark. Alright guys, hope you liked the opening of the Prestige as well as the Contenders blaster box. We did get 3 autos out of here. We got the Harold Landry 25 out of 25. Kyle Van Noy auto. And the Damon Patterson rookie ticket auto from the Pittsburgh Steelers. We also got Austin Allen out of 225, as well as Cam Newton 225, 48 out of 225. That's going to be it for tonight's break. As a reminder, on Friday night, we're going to be opening up 5 of the Panini Contenders blaster boxes, so please find those bids on eBay. Join me on my break on Friday night, 10:30 p.m. Central. Looking forward to it. Hope you guys can make it. Should be a lot of fun. Those are guaranteed to have at least one auto or relic provided inside each box. So, I mean, it's not too bad. So, we'll see you guys on Friday. If you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on Friday. Thank you. Bye.